Welcome to CoreProxy.io.
In this tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy server on your Android device using mobile data or LTE network settings. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Tap on Mobile Networks or Connections. Then select Mobile Data or your active LTE network. Look for Access Point Names or APN settings and tap on it. Enter the proxy server address provided by CoreProxy in the proxy field, and the port number in the port field. Now scroll further to find username and password fields. Enter the username and password exactly as they appear in your CoreProxy dashboard. Once all details are entered, tap the three-dot menu in the top corner and select Save. Or simply tap Save if available. Your device may prompt you for authentication again. If asked, simply re-enter the CoreProxy username and password provided to you. To confirm your proxy is working, open any browser and visit an IP checking website like whatismyipaddress.com. As you can see, your IP address has been successfully changed through CoreProxy. And that's it. Your Android device is now routing all mobile data through your CoreProxy server.